have to cut your nails. I have to cut your nails. Ow, ouch. Nails are sharp. Well, cutting your African gray parrot's nails if they get too sharp. And if he lets you. Give me a nail. Come on. There's a sharp one here. Come on. Did you get a treat? Come on. Give me a nail. Give me a nail. Come on. Trick is just cut the point off. You just want to cut the point off because if you get watch. So you don't want to cut too much or he bleeds. So you just want to cut the sharp part off. One more. One more. One more. You get a treat. Good boy. Good boy. Now he gets treats.